Okay, this is my machine controller. And obviously, it's triggering sounds inside my computer. It's a USB cable from here into the back of my computer. So, obviously, that's the controller. We're going to go here to the menu bar. Next to view, we see controller. It says machine. Now, watch this. I also have a machine micro. All right. And I'm going to take out my USB cable right here. I'm going to plug it into my machine micro right there. Now, look at that. It's turning on there. Pretty good. It's pretty cool. Doing its thing. And now I'll go back to controller. Now it says Machine Micro Mach 2, as you can see, right? So obviously that's what happens here. It's pretty simple. It's the controller section that tells us which control is connected or if it's not connected at all. I can also just take the controller out actually and not connect anything, and I can still use the software. So go back here, nothing's in there, and I can still use this software no matter what. I can go in here and press play. See that? And it plays by itself. So it's not required that you have this controller plugged into the software. The last item is help. And help is very important. You might need it. You never know when you do, but you might need it. So here we can search for some help. We can also launch the Service Center, which is no need. That's more of an Apple thing. But here we have the machine documentation. So every manual is inside. And it can open it up for you. You can go right here, select the one you want to select. We have micro 1 and 2. We have the getting started 1 and 2 for the micro. And that's for machine actually. Then we have it for studio. So the getting starts are right here. We have the manuals here. Then we have the hardware controls below that. And we have the open machine documentation folder. So it'll go right to the folder right there. It's pretty simple. You can do it at home. Now, sometimes you have some context manuals, of course, because, for example, I have the complete 9. So I've got a lot of stuff here. I've got these Abbey Road drums. So sometimes you need some help. You never know. And everything's right here. Strings, keyboards, everything's right here. It's George Duke treasures. So a lot of stuff that you see that you can probably buy from Native Instruments will come with the complete 9 setup, which is really cool, as you can see right here. So if you need help, all you gotta do is launch your help here. And let's say I want to go to this point right here. Let's say I want to look at the controller 2. I pull it up there. And now it launched. You see right there? I look for documentations right here. I got the bookmarks here and the menu items here. It's going to be creating beats. See that right there? I can go to edit right here and it pulls it right up. So it makes it easier. If you need any help, it's right there inside with the software.